Hey there. Glad we're drawing together again today. I wanted to draw a cute little cow with you. So let's get started. First, what we'll do is start with the head. We're going to do kind of an oval, right? And we'll round it off at the top. Let's give the cow two little horns and two. And we'll do some hair in the middle. Let's do two ears. 1, 2. Let's give the cow two eyes. 1, 2 circles. The circle in the middle. I'm going to give my cow some eyelashes. Next, let's do the nose on the cow. There's our head of our cow. Let's do kind of a rounded off rectangle for the body. Let's start here. Come around and under. I think I want this line to be further down. Let's fix it. That's what eraser's for. That's what erasers are for. It's okay to change your mind and fix what you like and make it rounder. There we go. I'm going to give the cow a tail and some legs. Cow needs 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hooves. Let's make this line a little bit different so it matches the other ones. Go like this. I'm going to make some spots on my cow. I'll have one here, maybe a big one here, another one like this, maybe one in the middle. Okay, that's our cow. Let's color this cow in. We're going to need some heart first. Let's outline our cow first. All right. 1 leg, 2 legs. How many legs do we have left? 2 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we already did 2, there's 2 left to color in. Or outline right now. We'll color them in a minute. Lauren's ears. A little fluff of hair on top of her head. Let's outline her head. Outline her nose. Let's do the bodies. Spots. The tail. One more spot. And the eyes. Let's color in these spots. He's got her a nice pink nose. The 2 little triangles for the pink side of her ears. That's our cow. I think our cow should have some green grass to eat. What do you think? That is our cow. I'm so proud of you. Keep drawing. Color whatever colors you like best with whatever markers, crayons, pencils you like that you have at home. And if you want to see more videos like this, click the like and subscribe buttons to stay updated. This helps me make more videos for you. Thank you. I'll see you next time.